Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 6 Best Electric Space Heater.
Top 1.
Briza Infrared Patio Heater. Electric patio heater, outdoor heater, indoor-outdoor heater, wall heater, garage heater, portable heater. 1500W. Use with stand mount to ceiling wall. Dual use, comes with hardware for mounting on walls or ceilings. Also comes with an adjustable tripod stand. Carbon infrared technology, produces heat that is similar to the heat produced by the sun. The infrared rays emitted are easily absorbed by the surfaces in the area of the heater, which increases the temperature of their surroundings. As cool surfaces heat up, infrared heaters raise the ambient temperature of the space. Safety features: a protective metal sheath covers the heating elements. This means animals and children can touch the surface of our heater without being burned. The Briza has a built-in sensor that will automatically shut off the unit if it is tipped over, eliminating the possibility of a fire hazard. 4-season protection: with an IP55 rating, the Briza can withstand any degree of the elements, whether it's rain, snow, sand, or dust. The Briza will stand up to the harshest outdoor conditions for years to come. It is also great for indoor uses, for when you want to stay warm in the garage, shed, or your home. Efficient heating: infrared heaters can make you comfortable indoors or outdoors no matter what the temperature is. Inside the heater, a hot coil is wrapped into a circle so that all of the heat can be transferred evenly.
Top 2.
TPI Corporation OC 57-240V SSE Fostoria Quartz Electric Infrared Heater. Outdoor indoor rated, stainless steel housing, 3000W, 240V, overhead heating equipment. Infrared overhead heat, easy to assemble, operate, and maintain. Lightweight heating device for quick and quiet performance that effectively delivers all three fundamentals of heat transfer: convection, conduction, radiation. Durable electric heater, impressive service life with 5,000-hour life expectancy. Includes mounting brackets that allow unit to tilt up to 45 degrees. Steel housing has textured stainless steel finish. Frosted quartz tube heating element. Made in USA. High performance, generates radiant floor-to-ceiling heat for people or process heating. Provides warmth and comfort using an efficient infrared medium-wave quartz emitter that generates clean, safe heat with no fan or moving parts. BTU rating, 10,239. Applications: ideal for damp or harsh industrial, commercial, and residential, non-dwelling area, conditions. ETL listed for suspended indoor or totally enclosed outdoor spot heating. Great for shops, garages, loading docks, patios, restaurants, and more. Installation and care: for optimum infrared heating results to heat people or objects, mount each heater 6 apart at 8 to 12 high and tilt housing 15 to 20 degrees towards the target. Prior to each use, wipe element device with damp cloth to remove dust.
Top 3.
Space heater, Outdoor heaters carbon fiber electric vertical heater 1500W fast quiet heating, 2-speed adjustment tip over protection electric patio heater for office bedroom home indoor use. High quality, using fast heating carbon fiber heating tube, the heat conversion rate is as high as 95%, the life is longer, and it is more energy saving. Far infrared heating, the whole body will not get damp or cold. 2-level power adjustment, 700W 1400W convenient button switch design, simple and convenient operation, 2-level power adjustment, to meet the needs of different people. Adjust the appropriate temperature according to your needs, safe and comfortable. Multiple safety protection functions dumping and power failure protection, pluggable sockets, heavy-duty chassis design, not afraid of accidental dumping. It is safer to use. Humanized handle, it adopts a humanized handle design, which is easy to move, not hot, and can be carried with you. It will not be very cold in winter. Application, the heater is very suitable for indoor and outdoor hotels, beauty salons, cafes, sunrooms, barbecue areas, garages, outdoor restaurants, bars, villa courtyards.
Top 4.
HEMFV Portable Safe Heater Electric Space Heater Indoor Heater 2000W Adjustable Thermostat Ceramic Heater Overheat Protection Portable Heater Create a warm and soothing environment. The compact and portable will allow you to easily move your space heater to any room you want. Make sure your office, kitchen, bedroom, guest room, study, or living room is nice and warm. High precision thermostat for low cost heating with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.3 degrees C. Create a warm and soothing environment that is ideal for backyards, camping, outdoor family, and friends gatherings. Durable steel structure, high temperature paint finish, heat resistant, 600 degrees Celsius. 2000W high power for large space, industrial home can be used.
Top 5.
Duraflame 9HEMFV 91260142 Portable Electric Infrared Quartz Heater, OAK. 5200 BTU heater provides supplemental zone heating for up to 1000 square feet. Adjustable thermostat allows you to decide the temperature of your room. Overheat protection, heater will instantly shut off before overheating. Electronic timer function automatic timed shut off from 30 minutes up to 9 hours overheat protection, heater will instantly shut off before overheating. The infrared heat helps to maintain the natural humidity within the air, resulting in moist, comfortable heat without drying out the room.
Top 6.
NewAir electric oil-filled space heater, indoor personal heater, black, A450B. Efficient whole room heating with eco mode. Keep winter's bite at bay with this portable oil-filled space heater. This powerful heater has 7 fins that provide constant comfort all winter long. Thanks to the eco mode, you can keep it on all day without worrying about your electric bills. It's one of the most efficient heaters around. Totally silent operation. Unlike convection heaters that require a fan to pump out hot air, this space heater uses diathermic oil inside its radiating fins to keep you warm without making a sound. The result? Quiet comfort in rooms up to 12x13. Intuitive controls and remote 3 heat modes let you control your comfort and your energy usage. Set your desired temperature in 5 degrees increments, or turn on the 10-hour timer for worry-free shut-off whenever you like. The included remote control lets you do it all from anywhere in the room. Powerful, portable heating. The slim, lightweight design of this space heater allows it to fit in any room, while easy glide casters make it a cinch to roll into place. When winter finally ends, just slide it into storage until you
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.